guys, George from JV Sports Cards here in a box of 12-13 limited divisional. Good luck, guys. Johnny looking for that Kobe. Power looking for that Kyrie. Looking for that roll that thing. Looking for that Durant, not Durant. Davis. Good luck. No autograph on the Kobe's. Bunch of base Kobe's. Good luck. Tyreek. Jordan Crawford. Batum. And Sessions. And our first hit is a jersey for the Spurs. Manu Ginobili. Who's got the Spurs? Roll that thing with the Spurs. That's 158 to 199. And our hits. Put this one here. Kim English to 399 for the Pistons. Kim English. Central. Howard getting a hit. Now he can't punch me. Howard getting a hit. And the redemption. Don't know if anybody peeked. Masterful Marks. Card number 13. Wow, nice. James Harden. Not bad. James Harden. Question is he in the Rockets jersey in this one? I think he might be Rockets jersey in that one. I'll look at the checklist. Appreciate it, guys.